nights on another day, shadows start to creep. I sit here in the quiet, where memories run deep. Your face is like a ghost, haunting every night. We never had our closure, we never made it right. Haven't said goodbye, and it tears me apart. Holding on to whispers echoing in my heart. The words left unspoken, the tears that never dry. I can't move on because we haven't said goodbye. The photographs are fading, but the pain remains. Every corner of this house echoes with our names. I see you in the silence, hear your voice in every sigh. Living in this limbo where we never said goodbye. Haven't said goodbye, and it tears me apart. Holding on to whispers echoing in my heart. The words left unspoken, the tears that never dry. I can't move on because we haven't said goodbye. I wish I could rewind, go back to where we were, fix the broken pieces before our hearts defer. But time keeps moving forward while I'm stuck in rewind, searching for the courage to leave the past behind. Haven't said goodbye, haven't said goodbye. It tears me apart, tears me apart. Holding on to whispers, holding on to echoing in my heart, echoing in my heart. The words left unspoken, the tears that never dry. I can't move on because we haven't said goodbye. So here I am still waiting for the day I find the strength to let you go completely, to go to any length, to heal these wounds inside, to finally dry my eyes. I'll find my peace and say the words we haven't said goodbye. Here I am, still waiting for the day I find the strength to let you go completely, to go to any length.